Hello students, we are solving the IB Math AA AGL past paper questions and currently we are solving the IB Math AA AGL May 2023 paper 2 times on 2 past paper. Today we will be solving the question number 7 of this paper. You will be getting links to all the previously solved questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlist in my YouTube channel, NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. So without any further delay, let us start answering question number 7. The maximum mark is 5. It says a function f is defined as f of x equal to arctan or tan inverse of x minus 2, where x is greater than or equal to 2 but is less than equal or equal to 2 plus root 3, square root of 3. The region bounded by the curve, the y-axis and the x-axis and the line y equal to pi over 3 is rotated 360 degree about the y-axis to form a solid of revolution. Find the volume of the solid. Okay, and we know since it is getting rotated about the y-axis, therefore the formula for the volume of revolution will be pi a to b. We have to get the limits definitely, and x square dy. This will be given in your formula booklet. This is there, okay? But for x square, you see, it should be an expression with y. It should be an expression containing y. So from here, f of x equal to arctan of x minus 2. So I can write y equal to arctan of x minus 2. And I have to make x the subject. Basically, I have to make x the subject because I need x square expression. Okay. So I can write, taking tan of both the sides, I can write x minus 2 is equal to tan y, or x is equal to 2 plus tan y. So we have got the expression of x in terms of y. It is an expression containing y. Okay. And we have to get the limits. So let us first of all see what type of a graph is this. We know the arctan graph, arctan of x graph, and this is just a horizontal translation towards the right by 2 units. That we understand, but since we are having the calculator, let us see the graph, okay? So this is the calculator page. I have to go to the graph page. Okay. Okay. Tan inverse of x minus 2. Enter. Fine. And I need to get the y equal to 0, pi over 3. Okay. This is 1 and this is 1, this is 2 over here. Okay. And I need the y equal to pi over 3. So it is pi over 3. Why is this coming? I don't know. Pi over 3. Yeah, this is the line. Okay. So the area that has to get rotated is, you see, between this x-axis. This is the function, this part, right hand side, the y-axis, and this y equal to pi over 3 line. This is the area. Okay. So I can just copy this. So I'm just copying it. You don't have to sketch the graph. I'm just copying this just for the sake of explanation that which part do you have to take. So you see, this is the graph arctan of x minus 2, this blue colored line, blue colored curve rather. This one is y equal to pi over 3 horizontal line, and this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. So this is the area bounded by the curve, the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line y equal to pi over 3. This area should get rotated through an angle of 360 degrees about the y-axis to form a solid of revolution. Okay, so this is the portion. You need to know which portion is it because you need to know the limits. Now that you know this is the portion, what should be the y values? Because it is getting integrated with respect to y, because it is getting rotated about the y-axis, therefore it is getting integrated with respect to y. So the limits will be the two y values. So we are seeing the lower limit should be 0 and the upper limit should be pi over 3, because this is the pi over 3 line. Okay. So now that we have known the limits of integration, we will be writing therefore b is equal to pi 0 to pi over 3. You can give a rough sketch because it is containing 5 marks. If you have time, you can just give a rough sketch. Don't have to be accurate at all, just to show which portion of the region is you are taking. Okay, which portion is it? So, and this also explains why are you taking the limits as the lower bound as 0 and the upper one as pi over 3. Okay. So, this and x square. What was x? X is equal to 2 plus tan y. So, it is 2 plus tan y whole square dy. Okay. And I am expanding. So, it is pi 0 to pi over 3 2 square. This is a plus b whole square. I am using the a plus b whole square identity. You can do the multiplication 2 plus tan y times 2 plus tan y. Okay. So, and you can get the product. So, 2 square is equal to 4, and it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, 2 square is 4 and plus 2ab. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times tan y, and tan y whole square is tan square y dy. Okay. So, this is equal to, I'm separating the terms, 0 to pi over 3, 4 dy. So, I can write 4 outside, and dy plus 4y. Again, there is this 4. So, 4y pi 0 to pi over 3 tan y dy plus pi 0 to pi over 3 tan square y dy. Okay. So, this is the after separating the terms. This is the expression that we are having for the volume of revolution. So, this is equal to, I am integrating them separately. So, 4 pi and integration of dy, that is 1 dy, is y. So, 0 to pi over 3. And for tan y, I have to do the substitution. So, let me do the substitution over here. So, okay, first of all, let me write tan y as sine y over cos y. Dy plus pi. This I'm using the identity. You have the identity secant square y is equal to 1 plus tan square y. So tan square y will be equal to secant square y minus 1. Okay. So I am using that. So in place of tan square y, I am writing secant square y minus 1 dy. Or else you can do, it is paper 2. I'm showing the process of integration so that you can solve it even if it is a paper 1 question. It is not a paper 1 question, so I will be showing you how to use the calculator and get to the answer in one step. Okay, but this is what you have to do in case it is a paper 1 question. You don't have to write so many lines if it is a paper 2 question. You can just input this expression in your calculator and get the value. It will be sufficient. But in case it is a paper 1 question, then you have to do these steps. Otherwise, you will not be knowing the answer. Okay. So you'll not be getting the final answer for this, but I am showing you only the differentiation, the integration part. Okay. How to integrate these. So tan y, for tan y, I have first of all written sin y over cos y, and let um, cos y be equal to t. So negative sin y is equal to dt over dy, or dy, because we need dy. So dy is equal to dt over negative sin t. Sorry, not t, sin y. Okay. So this is equal to 4 pi and pi over 3 minus 0. In place of y, I am writing pi over 3 minus 0, and then plus 4 pi. And this one is, and since I have substituted, the um, limits will also be changing. So it is y and t. When it is y is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1. So t equal to 1. And when y is equal to pi over 3, cos pi over 3 is half. So it is half. Okay. So I am getting it as 1 to half, and it is sin y. I am writing it as sin y, and it is in place of cos y, I am writing t, and in place of dy, I am writing dt over negative sin y, and these two will be getting cancelled. And then for the final one, it is plus pi secant square y. The integral will be tan y. So it is tan y, and for minus 1, it will be y. So minus y, 0 to pi over 3. Okay. So I have changed the limits, and there is this minus sign. So I can interchange these. I can bring down this half as the lower limit, and I can move the 1 up. So it will be 4 pi times pi over 3 and plus 4 pi, and it is half to 1 dt over t, and plus pi tan y minus y, 0 to pi over 3. Okay, so this will be equal to 4 pi square over 3, and this is plus 4 pi ln of t. This is ln of t half to 1, and plus pi tan y minus y, 0 to pi over 3. Okay. So this is what you will be getting, and you have to write ln of 1 will be equal to 0 and ln of half. So, and you have to simplify and give the final answer. This is what you will be doing if it is paper 1. But since it is paper 2, you can directly go to, therefore, volume of revolution is equal to pi 0 to pi over 3, 2 plus tan y whole square dy is equal to we have to go to the GDC, and I have to come to this calculator portion. It is menu and then calculus and then numerical integral. It should be, this one is pi. I have to write pi times this one is 0, and this one is pi over 3 pi over 3, and this part is, I cannot write y, I have to write x. Okay, so it is 2 plus tan x whole square and dx. Okay, enter. 20, I have pressed control and enter. Whenever you know that you may be getting a decimal number, it is better to press control and then enter. Okay, so 24.021, up to 3 significant figures, it will be 24.0. Okay, um, okay, fine. So I can write 24.0 unit to the power of 3. This is the answer. Correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, they have not mentioned how many digits we have to take, so it is correct to 3 significant figures. Whenever they are not writing something explicitly, we have to give the final answer correct to 3 significant figures. So this is the final answer. This is what you have to give. You come to this part, and then from here you come to this line, because it is paper 2 and you are having the calculator. But this portion, I have shown you this portion just in case this is given as a paper 1 question. How do you do the integration? Okay, so, and it is not a very difficult integration, but anyway, I have shown it. Okay, so this was all for our today's session. We have solved the question number 7 completely. Thank you for watching. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math ESL and HL level tutor. I tutor students from both within India and outside India, and I offer both one-on-one and small group online tutoring services to my students. In case you're liking my explanation, please to give this video a like, and please to share this video with your friends so that even they can get benefited by watching my videos. And in case you want to join my sessions, you want to learn from me, you want me as your teacher, please to contact me for more details. And please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me to make more math videos for you. We meet again very soon, where we'll be solving the very next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.